Hello friends, today's topic is about what is D and L isomers. So when you are learning chemistry of carbohydrate, this word will come across many times, also in chemistry of amino acid. So what is D glucose and what is L glucose? So that we are going to understand in this video. So first of all, this D and L isomers, particularly for the chemistry of carbohydrate, arrangement of this H and OH group means hydrogen and hydroxyl group on the penultimate carbon atom in a monosaccharide, and that is very helpful to confirm whether it is a D variety or L variety of that particular monosaccharide. So simply penultimate carbon means second carbon or second last carbon of the glyceraldehyde. Now glyceraldehyde has only 3 carbons, so second carbon become a penultimate carbon. But for the glucose has a total 6 carbon, so C5, fifth carbon, that will become a penultimate carbon for that glucose molecule. So further we are going to understand what is that D and L variety as per that H and OH arrangement. So that H and OH arrangement over the particularly penultimate carbon, that will determine whether it is a D isomer or its mirror image, that is called a L isomer. So how it is decided? So if the hydroxyl group is on the right hand side, then it is considered as a D series or D variety of that monosaccharide, means either D glyceraldehyde or the D glucose molecule. But hydroxyl group that is over the left hand side, then it belongs to the L series. From the picture we will clear that how exactly D and L variety. So here that molecule of D glyceraldehyde and L glyceraldehyde, penultimate carbon for the glyceraldehyde molecule, that is the second carbon. Now over the D glyceraldehyde, this OH group that is over the right hand side, while L glyceraldehyde, L means left hand side, that hydroxyl group is present. So you have to remember this capital D and capital L variety, and over the penultimate carbon that will decide whether it is a D variety or L isoform of the particular monosaccharide. Same way for the glucose molecule, total 6 carbon are there, but over the penultimate carbon means fifth carbon with a hydroxyl group over the right hand side, then it is considered a D glucose. But if hydroxyl group is over the left hand side, then it is considered a L glucose. So that will decide whether that monosaccharide is whether L or D isomer of that particular molecule. So that you have to remember, penultimate carbon and hydroxyl group over the right side or the left hand side. So that is all about the D and L isomers.